In this video, we are going to see the car collection of Rubin Singh, who is known as Bill Gates of United Kingdom. So please watch the video till the end and stay subscribed to our channel for more updates. Rubin Singh is a British entrepreneur and CEO of contract center company All Day Power and private equity firm iShares Capital. He rose to prominence in mid-1990s for his Miss Attitude retail chain. Currently, he has a net worth of 125 million US dollars and he has the highest collection of 16 Rolls-Royce. The one thing that is unique to Mr. Rubin Singh is that he always matches the turbine to the color of the car he drives. So let's look into his expensive and most luxurious car collection. Number 1. 6 Rolls-Royce Cullinan black cars and 1 red Cullinan. He purchased these set of 7 cars recently. Each cost $325,000. In India, they cost 6.95 crore rupees. The top speed of these cars is 360 km per hour. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Phantom Coupe. The cost of this car is 436,000 US dollars. In India, it cost 7.06 crore. It also includes yellow Rolls-Royce Phantom Coupe, burgundy Rolls-Royce Phantom Coupe. Number 3. Black Rolls-Royce Phantom Coupe. The cost of this car is 450,000 US dollars. In India, it costs 10.5 crore rupees. Along with the black, he also has silver Rolls-Royce Phantom Coupe and white Rolls-Royce Phantom Coupe. His collection also includes red Rolls-Royce Dawn. The cost of this car is 436,000 US dollars. In India, it costs 7.06 crore. This car comes with 6.6 liter twin turbo unleaded engine, which produces power output of 563 horsepower, and the top speed of this car is 250 km per hour. He also has white Rolls-Royce Dawn, grey Rolls-Royce Dawn, and navy blue Rolls-Royce Dawn. Apart from the costliest and luxurious Rolls-Royce, he also owns Bugatti Veyron. The cost of this car is 1.7 million US dollars. In India, it costs 12.54 crore. This car comes with 8 liter quad turbocharged W6 engine, which produces a power output of 1200 horsepower. The car has a top speed of 430 km per hour and it can reach 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. Porsche 918 Spider. The cost of this car is 229,000 US dollars. In India, it cost 6.4 crore. This car comes with 4.6 liter V8 engine, produces power output of 870 horsepower. This car can go to the top speed of 345 km per hour and the car can go from 0 to 100 in 2.6 seconds. LaFerrari. The cost of this car is 2.1 million US dollars. In India, it is 14.52 crore rupees. This car comes with 6.3 liter V12 engine, which produces power output of 949 horsepower. The top speed of the car is 350 km per hour. It can go from 0 to 100 in 2.6 seconds. Pagani Huayra. The cost of this car is 2.4 million US dollars. In India, it cost 16.6 crore rupees. This car comes with 6 liter bi-turbo V12 handcrafted engine, which produces power output of 700 horsepower. The top speed of this car is 70 km per hour, and it can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.4 seconds. Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. The cost of this car is 157,000 US dollars. In India, it costs 2.09 crore rupees. This car comes with 4-liter V8 engine which produces power output of 577 horsepower. The top speed of this car is 319 km per hour and it can go from 0 to 100 in 4 seconds. McLaren P1. The cost of this car is 1.15 million US dollars. In India, it costs 7 crore rupees. This car comes with 3.8 liter twin turbocharged V8 engine which produces power output of 986 horsepower. The top speed of this car is 344 km per hour. It can go from 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. Lamborghini Huracan Spider. The cost of this car is 274,000 US dollars. In India, it is 3.48 crores. This car comes with 5.2 liter V10 engine which produces power output of 602 horsepower. The top speed of this car is 320 km per hour and it can go from 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. The cost of this car is 380,000 US dollars. In India, it cost 4.71 crore rupees. This car comes with 6.3 liter FC V12 engine which produces power output of 730 horsepower and 690 Nm of torque. This car has transmission of 7-speed dual clutch which help the car to reach the top speed of 311 km per hour and 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. This is all about the car collection of Dubin Singh. If you like the video, then please mention your favorite car in the comment and also subscribe to our channel for more updates.